Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn ABCD. Let's start. Green color. Green color. A. A for apple. A for apple. B. B for ball. B for ball. C. C for carrot. C for carrot. D. D for donut. D for donut. E for eggplant. E for eggplant. F for fish. F for fish. G for God. G for God. H for house. H for house. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for joker. J for joker. K for kite. K for kite. L for lemon. L for lemon. M for mango. M for mango. N for nose. N for nose. Purple color. O for owl. O for owl. P for papaya. P for papaya. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for ring. R for ring. S for sister. S for sister. T for tomato. T for tomato. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Blue color. V for village. V for village. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. So kids, what we learn today? We learn about green color, yellow color, purple color and blue color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.